Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to add text to a PDF in DocHub. Whether you're filling out forms, adding notes, updating information, or making edits to a document, DocHub provides an easy way to insert text directly into your PDF. So let's get started. As you work, review each page carefully to ensure the text is positioned correctly and remains easy to read. Zooming in can help you make more precise adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the changes, save the document. You can then download the updated PDF, share it with others, or continue managing it within your DocHub account. And that's how to add text to a PDF in DocHub. With the built-in text editing tools, you can quickly update documents, complete forms, and add important information directly from your browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.